Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to knit a 2x2 rib stitch. So here I have an example for you. This is 2x2 ribbing, right? And what you do here is you knit 2 and purl 2, knit 2 and purl 2, knit 2 and purl 2 for your entire rows. See? So for that you need to cast on multiples of 4 stitches, because you're going to working on knit 2 and purl 2 for your entire row, right? And you can use this ribbing on your hat, on your sweater, and also on your socks, right? So let's begin our 2x2 rib stitch, right? And first you want to cast on your multiples of 4 stitches, right? I have already cast on my stitches. And now you're going to start with your knit stitch, right? You're going to knit, and you're going to knit your first and second stitches, right? Knit 1 and knit 2, right? And now take your yarn to the front, right? And you're going to purl 1 and purl 2, right? So now you're going to repeat this again and again, right, for your entire row. So knit 1 and knit 2, purl 1 and purl 2, knit 1 and knit 2, purl 1 and purl 2, knit 1 and knit 2. And we have last 4 stitches here, see, and we are going to knit 1 and knit 2 and purl 1 and purl 2. So our first row is done now, and for our second row we are going to do the same thing again, right? And you can see what stitch you have here at the beginning. See, these are knit stitches. So you're going to knit 1 and knit 2 and purl 1 and purl 2, and you're going to repeat this again and again until the end of your row, right? So we have finished our second result. Done your work, and now you're going to keep on knitting like that, right? And you will see the effects clearly after your few rows, right? You just keep on knitting. So after you knit your few rows, it looks like this. See, it looks same on both sides. See? Alright, thanks for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if it did help you, and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about knitting, right? So I'll see you on my next video. Bye.